Hello there and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, I want to let you know I am here because I like to talk about make money online and online entrepreneur. I have a few years of experience until now in online entrepreneur. I would love to help you all with very important info about this type of work. Please feel free to look around my channel and consider subscribing with bell notification on. What's up in this video? I will show you how you can make many dollars each and every day on Instagram, regardless of whether you have zero devotees, zero past experience and zero posts for you. This technique works worldwide and the opposition is presently very low. So it will be anything but difficult to utilize it. I will tell you the best way to pursue the site and how to associate it with Instagram to make this work. In any case, before that, try to help yourself out by clicking that red buy-in button with subscribe, and I will tell you at whatever point I have another first technique to bring in cash on the web. So you can be one of the first to utilize it. What's more, that method obviously, get the most cash flow. Okay, so in a moment, I will show you how you can utilize it. This site here joined with Instagram to bring in cash on the web. Furthermore, as continually, everything will be clarified bit by bit in subtleties. So we will currently start with step number 1. Stage number 1 is to approach Instagram.com. In case you're utilizing the work area rendition, in case you're on a PC, or in case you're utilizing your cell phone, you can simply introduce the Instagram application. It's totally free. What's more, I strongly suggest you make a shiny new record for this. So you can just approach Instagram, make a pristine record. It doesn't make a difference in the event that you have zero devotees in case you're following zero individuals. Furthermore, it doesn't make a difference if you have any posts. This can be a pristine page, and you will at present have the option to bring in cash. Just on the off chance that you follow every single step from this video. On the off chance that you skip something, at that point I'm grieved. However, this will presumably not work for you. So give close consideration and remain tuned until the end. Indeed, step number 1, approach Instagram.com and pursue free. Advance number 2, presently I need you to simply set up a decent profile picture. Just set a profile picture, set a pleasant bio and pick an discretionary client name. So that is the progression number 2, upgrading your record. By and by, it shouldn't be proficient on the grounds that we won't sell anything on this page. Furthermore, you won't draw in any supporters or at all. Step number 3, presently I need you to approach Instagram. So you can go to the quest bar and quest for the watchword make money online. So you can either look for hashtag make money online, or you can simply type in a make money online, type in that catchphrase. What's more, presently you can see these various pages that are discussing about making money online. Furthermore, you need to discover the same number of pages as you can identify with make money online, online entrepreneur, work from home, and you need to open them up. So for instance, how about we investigate this page here? This page has a lot devotees, and this is an incredible one. I would leave this open that way. Presently I would open up another page. So by and by look for make money online. Furthermore, I'll attempt to discover the same number of these pages that have at any rate 20,000 devotees. So 20,000 up to like 200,000 supporters, that is something that we're searching for. How about we investigate this one? This one has an excessive number of adherents. So we can't utilize this one. I will now close that one and I will attempt to discover something different. Possibly this one has enough adherents. This is an ideal one. I would leave this open that way. Furthermore, I will for the time being open only one more page. Obviously the greater amount of them you open up and the more cash you will make, and you will see precisely how it functions. So by and by, step number 3 is to simply head toward the quest bar on Instagram and quest for the catchphrase make money online, online entrepreneur and work from home. So getting in shape and stuff that way. Furthermore, you need to open up the same number of those pages as you can. You additionally need to investigate if they have pleasant commitment on their page. Possibly a plate page isn't that acceptable on the grounds that they have a lot of devotees, however the commitment is pretty low, like they're getting like 59 preferences for every post, which is truly downright terrible. So you need to discover pages that have a few supporters, however it likewise have respectable commitment on their posts. So ensure that they have in any event like 1000 preferences in the event that they have endless adherence, and you will perceive any reason why that is truly significant to make the system work. Step number 4. Now I simply need you to approach a stage called appplus.com. So this is over the appplus.com. This is a CPA commercial center where you can discover countless distinctive CPA offers. CPA represents cost per activity, which implies you can get an outside reference for any of those offers. You can allude individuals to that connect, and at whatever point somebody joins to that specific proposal without purchasing anything, so they don't have to go through any cash whatsoever. They simply need to join, generally by entering their email address. You will get paid a specific measure of cash. For instance, for the situation, they get an opportunity to answer the $300,000 giveaway, and you will get paid 81 pennies each time somebody enters the giveaway for totally free. And this is significantly simpler than if you were advancing some ClickBank offers or people need to burn through many dollars to purchase something. It's much simpler to make somebody pursue an application or a totally free proposal from which they can profit at that point to really sell them something. Also, that is the reason this procedure specifically works. Not terrible, but not great either. Well, so since you know how application in addition to really functions, just approach the pursuit bar here. What's more, I need you to type in "make money online." So type in the catchphrase "make money online." Also, here you can see these various proposals for which you can snatch an outside reference. Furthermore, for instance, if it is anything but a supported posting, you can see that at times, you can get settled up to $600, only for getting somebody to join to a Make Money Online offer. What's more, that is super straightforward and truly simple. You simply need to pull in individuals that are keen on making money online. Also, you can get settled up to $100 for each sign up that you get for totally free. Presently I was looking through these offers. Furthermore, I discovered this one that is overall accessible, in light of the fact that, as should be obvious, it's acknowledged in 253 nations, not at all like this one that is paying just for the UK. So that will be significantly harder to utilize. What's more, you would most likely get a ton much less information exchanges. However, in the event that you need to, you can give it a shot, that one too. In any case, I will zero in on this one, which is overall accessible, so we can pull in individuals from everywhere the world. Furthermore, at whatever point somebody pursues this book for this Make Money Online book, you will get paid $600. You get 10 individuals to pursue a book. You will get $6,000. You get 1,000 individuals to join. You will get $60,000, etc. What's more, it's a customized Make Money Online book. So what you can essentially do is you can tap on this offer or some other offer you favor from the Make Money Online specialty. You will tap on it. You can approach this page, become familiar with how this works. You can tap on the preview button and that will take you over to their official page. So you will see precisely where you're sending individuals to the site where they can snatch their own first completely customized Make Money Online book for free. They can choose their sex. So you send an individual here, they can, for instance, select their email, they click on Got It, and they simply need to enter subtleties above themselves. Furthermore, they will get a customized and Make Money Online book and you will get paid $600. Now I realize you may be pondering to yourself right presently, like, for what reason would they pay $600 to send somebody to this page? Indeed, clearly on the grounds that they will presumably catch their email and they will showcase them. After that it will attempt to sell them different items and so forth. Also, from that one single individual, they will have a drawn out client. So they will profit significantly more. Don't stress over them. The fact is that you're getting $600 only for sending an individual to this page. What's more, on the off chance that they make a move, you'll get paid $600 on the off chance that they don't make any move, they just approach the site and they leave. At that point clearly you won't get paid. Yet, the majority of them, once they see that they will get a customized Make Money Online book and that will take them under 5 minutes to join, a ton of them will wind up joining. So what you just need to do is, once you select your offer, you will tap on Join an Organization here, this cache that is in the center, and that will take you over to an outer site where you should join as an associate. So you can click for On Associates here. It's clearly going to be distinctive for various offers. However, at something like this, the fact of the matter is that you simply need to round out these insights concerning yourself, like you have to enter your email address, you will make a remarkable secret phrase, you will enter your complete name, you will enter your organization name. On the off chance that you have one, at that point you will enter your road address and you will reveal to them more about your socioeconomics. You will choose that you need to turn into a member, you will choose a CPA, you will choose social for this situation. So what are your traffic sources? Our traffic sources will be social, since we will utilize Instagram in a moment. We'll return to Instagram in a moment. Simply round out old BS consent to decide unmistakably their terms and conditions and simply click enrollment. It's straightforward as that. Starting there, you will have your own outside reference that takes individuals to this page where they can join, and you will get paid a specific measure of cash. Now, how to really direct people to this site. In the event that you have 0 supporters on Instagram, you have no site, you have no YouTube channel or at all, well, return to those pages that you recently opened that are in the weight reduction space. Also, you can simply contact them. It will be much simpler to do it is in case you're on a cell phone gadget. There will be a DM cache someplace around here. In case you are utilizing the work area adaptation, I don't believe that is really conceivable. So you can in reality coordinate message somebody on Instagram through the site, yet you can simply introduce a totally free application and just DM this page and approach them at a yell out cost. Knowing the greater part of the cases from my own insight, they will let you know at a yell out cost for 24 hours will be something like $10 to $15. Perhaps it's going to be more for greater pages, and for the pages that have more adherence and higher commitment, what are you can without much of a stretch discover a page that will advance your proposal for $10 to $15. What's more, simply envision putting $15 in administration, and you will get before a large number of focused individuals that are following the Make Money Online page. So you know, they're keen on online entrepreneur, and now you're offering them something that they can pursue totally free, something that intrigues them. Furthermore, from each sign up, you're getting, for this situation, $600 or even some of the time much more out of 72,000 individuals, regardless of whether I get only 7 of them to join. I will at present make a respectable benefit. And I should simply connect with this page, DM them, approach them at a yell out cost. They reveal to me like $10 or $15 or $20. Also, they send me their PayPal email address. For instance, I simply send them an immediate installment. I give them my outside reference that I got from application furthermore, and they will begin advancing it on their page. It's basic as that. Also, it takes under a short ways from your side. Furthermore, you can assemble a reasonable business from this in light of the fact that once you begin getting those business, you can only reinvest into different pages and find greater pages and do what needs to be done over and advance various offers, drive various proposals from math additionally, and advance as much as could be expected under the circumstances. Presently I know there's going to be a great deal of you all whining in the remarks as you don't have $10 or $15 to put into this. Furthermore, that is the reason I'm going to leave a connection to my video in the depiction down underneath. What's more, within that, what do you suggest you go watch that video first? On the off chance that you don't have any cash to contribute, simply go watch that video. Will show you how you can make over $1,000 super quick and everything totally free. So you can utilize that system, bring in some cash, at that point return to this specific methodology and just reinvest your benefits over and over. Furthermore, That way fabricate an economical business that doesn't expect you to remain before a PC an entire day or at all. You simply solicitation to turn into a subsidiary. You snatch your outside reference, you return to Instagram, contact those pages, they advance you, you can simply sit, unwind, and appreciate the benefits. I trust you got some incentive out of this video. What's more, in the event that you did, remember to drop a like to it, leave an approval, and in the event that you haven't as of now, make certain to buy into this channel with notices on so you don't pass up any of the new substance. Also, as usual, a debt of gratitude is in order for viewing, and I will see you in a portion of the following recordings. John from Romania, I wish you all the